Hello. In this video, we're going to be installing the Ubuntu server on the Champlain Cloud resource. This will differ than the instructions that were provided for the VMware workstation. To begin, ensure that your firewall is powered on in your virtual infrastructure. This will ensure that you get a DHCP address for the Ubuntu server. Select your Ubuntu server. You'll select right-click, Power On. As you can see, mine is already powered on. Once it's powered on, right-click the Ubuntu server, and select Open Console. Your console will open up in a new window typically. At the beginning of the server install, select English by pressing Enter. My keyboard layout is correct here, so select Done. We're going to simply install Ubuntu by pressing Enter. As you can see, I received a DHCP address from the firewall. Select Done. At this time, we are not using a proxy address. If this changes, the instructional will be updated. Select Done. The mirror address provided is just fine. Select Done. We will be using an entire disk, so select Enter. The disk to install to is the only one presented, so press Enter. And select Done. It wants you to confirm the destructive action. Select Continue. Now it's asking for information about your server. For your name, insert your first last name, or just all together, as per the instruction. Server name. I have to come up with something clever. Okay. It wants a username and a password. Best practice says that it should be a complex password, and I abide by those rules. Once you select Done, it will ask you to install other roles for the server. At this time, we don't need any other roles. Select Done. Now you'll just wait while the system installs. Once the Ubuntu server completes installation, there's further steps to take to install the desktop GUI. That will be covered in another video. Thank you for watching.